tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful. You and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
This job would probably be a bit easier if I had another person to work with, but I don't, so you guys are going to watch me struggle bust this entire process. I am cutting out the original storage box for the RV. It got water damaged and it ended up becoming a breeding ground for a ton of insects. Scoop this box off of Facebook Market. Original price tag is still on it. It's in great condition. It was never used. I picked it up for 50 bucks. Spare washers. Let's get them in. Alright, give me 1 minute. You guys forgot? Look how shiny that box is. So it's in. It's a lot bigger than the original setup by like 7 inches, but I plan on doing a lift on the truck anyway. I have grade 8 bolts right here and a fistful of washers because I overestimated the length of the bolts. There we have it. Another install done. Can't wait to sticker bond this thing. Thank you so much for watching. Again, please keep liking, commenting, and subscribing. We'll see you in the next one.